Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's very exciting because I won a giveaway, and it's a giveaway of pronouncing names again. I think her name's Maureen. No, but she's Belgian, so I'm not sure how to pronounce it in Belgium because I would say it's Maureen. I'm not sure. So she's international. Let's just call her Maureen. So, in case you don't know her, but I'm pretty sure if you know me, that you know her, this is Maureen, whatever. And yeah, so she did a giveaway with Benefit Cosmetics, especially like Benefit Belgium, so like the Belgian Benefit. So the giveaway was about this, the brow kit, and so yeah, I won it with three full out other girls. So I had to give in what shade I wanted, and I think you could choose between shade 2 and 3. So obviously, yeah, I searched it first, what colours they were, because otherwise, if it's not your colour, what's the point in doing a giveaway? So yeah, we're gonna try and do the brows with Benefit Cosmetics. Like, I'd say this is the most expensive brand I've ever had in my hands. So that's sad. So what this package is, oh, that's really shiny. So it's the soft and natural brows. So basically the girl on the picture has no eyebrows, and then she has wow brows in a second. So with this package I also got, because I think it came straight from Benefit, I also got a card which says, "Laughter is the best cosmetics." So, and it says on the card, it has a letter, and it says, "Hi Sophie, congrats on winning our giveaway with Maureen. Here is your brow kit. We hope you love it and can't wait to see your brows look fly at Benefit Belgium." And then hashtag GIMMEBROWS. Love from Benetto. What does it say? Anyway, it also has a sticker that it's #1 brow brand worldwide. I didn't know that. You better not disappoint, baby. Okay, let's open it. My nose is running. Why is it running? So my boyfriend looks at me weird because I have a tissue, like this kind of tissue. Does anyone else have it, or is it like a Belgian thing? So this is what it looks like in the package. Goof-proof kit for natural looking brows. Oh, you can have it in French, Jesus. When you open it, you see that? So it basically has this thing, which is necessary if I think you don't have brows. It's a little bag that has like brow shapes in it. I can open it. So it has all sorts of like brow shapes in it, and then you put it in. So for example, just going to say this one, like that, and then I think you hold it to see where your eyebrow needs to go. But I have a lot of eyebrows, so I don't really need that. I'm not sure what shape I would be. Oh no, that's way too big. Oh, 2 is exactly what I have. Great. Then you also have, whoa. Then you also have this, which is like the pencil, and you go underneath your eyebrow afterwards to highlight it. Then you have this baby, which is the actual pencil, super easy brow filling and shaping pencil. So one side is the actual pencil, and then the other side is like the brush. And then last but not least, we have a little brow gel. So, I obviously have my brows filled in, so we're gonna take them off and start. Okay, so now that we are, I wanted to say eyebrow less, so I'm not, but less eyebrowy, we can start. So the first thing I'm going to use is that pencil. And so, oh, I totally forgot to say what shade I think shade 3 I have. It's much lighter than I normally have. So hopefully that's gonna look great. So I obviously watched Maureen's video over and over again. So how she did it was she brushed her brows up like we always do when we do our eyebrows. And she put this thing like under her eyebrows and then she goes whoop, whoop, whoop. So we're just doing what she does. She's a professional, you know, and I'm nothing. That seems to work. Hello. Oh, that's not the right one. Second step. So we go underneath the eyebrow. I really like this. I've been wanting to go lighter with my eyebrows, but I never really knew what shade I had to have. So see, I've gone blonde again, and I just felt like it was a little too dark. I like dark eyebrows, but it was just a little bit too much. So I think this one fits my skin and hair more. Last but not least, the eyebrow gel. Oh, it smells good. I'm just going to do the other right off camera and then we can talk a little bit about this product. We are done. I'm digging this brow. It's really better to like for my face. It's not just like eyebrow. Because when oh, it's a lovely color. I need this in my life. Well, I have it now. So let's have a chat about this. So obviously I am nobody and whatever I say doesn't matter, but I'm still going to give my opinion. So what is completely unnecessary for me are these things. Like, yeah, it's handy to like get a line on it, but I don't need it because my eyebrows are normally well shaped, but I really need to get them waxed. But that's besides the point. I'm busy, okay? So to me, this is, I'm not gonna use that. So, but that's, maybe people do use it, people with no eyebrows or something. I don't, but then that's completely subjective, is that a word? Then also, what I didn't mention is that there's a little paper thingy, book, whatever, on how to use it. So, I mean, so it has a little book with instructions, which is always good, I think. So yeah, about this, a little bit unnecessary for me. I like this one actually. It's just a little pink tony, but I think it's also sort of a highlighter, but yeah, it's really easy in applying though. It really was really smudgy and really easy, so that's a plus. Then, the Super Easy Brow Filling and Shaping Pencil. I love the packaging. Can we just talk about the packaging? The packaging is very nice. Like honestly, I think we're paying for more for the packaging than for the actual brand. But I really love it. It's really nicely done, really fancy. Like I feel proper rich. Like I feel like a proper beauty guru right now, and I love that for me. Now, honestly, about the packaging, I love it, but it's what I never like about brow products is like the pencil. This one's alright actually, but I don't know how much is in this. I don't want to break it because I'm not. Okay, that's going pretty far. I'm going down. I'm scared. Okay, so what happens with me with the one I had from NYX Cosmetics was that it was literally empty within a month. So obviously it's not that expensive, but if it's the same, this is quite more expensive than NYX. So I don't have money for that. You know, maybe people have. Maybe they're not bothered to buy the same product every month, but I am, so. Because, maybe it's also because I have a lot of eyebrow that it's harder to apply with this, or maybe I'm just a problem. I don't know. How I love this one, it's really nice actually, and I do believe it's a 20-hour brow setter because it really feels like, honestly, nothing can ruin this brow. This is so good. And I love how I look in the camera with my eyebrows. They look fancy. I'm never doing darker shade ever again. Yeah, I am, because I'm gonna have to use the product. I also really like how it applies, and it smells so good. It smells a bit like chemical, but I quite like that. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my head around it. Anyway, we've done the video. You've watched it. So that is basically everything I wanted to say. I don't know where it stopped. It's probably going to be fun editing this, but I'm very happy I won this. I want to thank Maureen a lot for this, and Benefit Belgium to, like, well, obviously they didn't choose for me to win, but I'm still grateful for it. Yeah, so that's all I want to say. I'm really loving this brow. That was it for the video today. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like it and give it a big thumbs up. That's the same thing. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And yeah, that was it. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!